Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to shed fat and feel amazing without stepping foot in a gym, you're in the right place. I know not everyone has the time or the resources to hit the gym every day, but that doesn't mean you can't burn fat daily and stay fit from the comfort of your own home, or even while you're out and about. In today's video, we're going to dive into some simple and effective activities that will help you burn fat daily. And the best part is, you don't need any special equipment or gym memberships. So grab your water, get comfy, and let's get started on burning some fat without ever stepping into a gym. Number 1, the power of movement. First things first, let's talk about one of the most overlooked but effective ways to burn fat: movement. You don't need to be doing high-intensity workouts all day to burn fat. Simply incorporating more movement into your day can make a significant difference. This is something I want you to think about every day. Moving more equals burning more. So, what do I mean by movement? Well, instead of parking close to the entrance when you go shopping or to work, try parking farther away and walking a bit more. Instead of sitting all day, get up and stretch, walk around, or even do some light chores. These daily actions are small, but they really add up. Remember, every little bit of movement helps you burn calories, which contributes to fat loss. And the more movement you add throughout the day, the more energy your body uses to perform those tasks. This process is key for burning fat, even when you aren't doing anything intense. Number 2, walking. Next up, we have one of the easiest and most accessible fat-burning activities: walking. Walking is one of the best low-impact exercises that you can do daily. Whether you're walking around your neighborhood, taking a stroll in the park, or even walking during your lunch break at work, it's an effective way to burn fat without any equipment or special skills. To maximize fat burning during your walk, aim for a brisk pace. You don't have to sprint, but you should walk fast enough to get your heart rate up and break a light sweat. Try for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking a day, which can burn anywhere from 100 to 300 calories depending on your speed and intensity. Walking every day also helps with your overall cardiovascular health, and it's an amazing stress reliever. It's simple, but it works. Number 3, everyday household chores. Who knew that doing your chores could actually help you burn fat? That's right. Household activities like cleaning, sweeping, vacuuming, and even washing dishes can burn hundreds of calories each day. When you do housework, you're moving your body, lifting objects, and engaging in physical activities that burn calories. Even something as simple as washing dishes can burn up to 50 to 100 calories, depending on how long you do it and your intensity. And if you're vacuuming, sweeping, or mopping, those tasks can burn up to 200 to 300 calories an hour. Plus, you're getting your house clean while also staying fit. It's a win-win. Number 4, fidgeting and small movements. Now, here's an interesting fact. Fidgeting can actually help burn fat. I know it sounds a little weird, but small repetitive movements like tapping your foot, moving your legs, or even just constantly shifting in your seat can contribute to your daily calorie burn. Studies show that people who are more fidgety tend to burn more calories than those who remain still for long periods. This phenomenon is called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's the energy your body uses for all the things you do throughout the day that aren't formal exercise. So if you're someone who taps their fingers or fidgets a lot, don't feel bad about it. It might be helping you burn more fat than you think. Before we dive into more fat-burning tips, I want to share something that's been a game changer for many people on their weight loss journeys: Metabolism. It's a natural, powerful supplement that can support your body's fat-burning process, boost your metabolism, and help you feel more energized throughout the day. I know how hard it can be to stay motivated when you're working towards a goal, but sometimes a little extra help like Metabolism can make all the difference. If you're looking for that extra push to achieve your weight loss goals, check out the link in the description below and give it a try. You've got this, and we're in this together. Number 5, taking the stairs. Here's another easy tip. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. This is a simple daily change that can have a huge impact. Stair climbing is a fantastic way to burn calories, tone your legs, and increase your heart rate. Just a few flights of stairs can burn up to 20 to 30 calories. If you're working in a building with a few floors, try to take the stairs at least once or twice a day, and you'll notice a difference over time. It's a quick, no-cost way to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Number 6. Stretching and yoga. Stretching or doing yoga every day is another excellent way to burn fat and improve flexibility. While it may not burn as many calories as running or lifting weights, yoga helps balance your body, reduce stress, and can also aid in digestion, which is essential for weight loss. Try doing a few minutes of stretching or yoga first thing in the morning or before bed. Yoga poses like the plank or downward dog engage your core, helping to tone and strengthen your muscles while also improving your posture and flexibility. These activities help boost your metabolism and reduce the likelihood of emotional eating, which can sabotage weight loss. Number 7. Active socializing. Who says you can't have fun and burn calories at the same time? If you're meeting friends or family, try to be active while socializing. Instead of sitting down at a cafe or restaurant, why not suggest a walk, a hike, or even playing a game of tag or frisbee in the park? Not only will you have a great time, but you'll also burn calories in the process. Socializing doesn't have to be sedentary. Active socializing is a fun, effortless way to stay active every day and improve your fitness. Number 8. Take advantage of breaks. Don't underestimate the power of a quick break. Whether you're at work or home, using your breaks for some physical activity can really add up. Try doing some quick bodyweight exercises during your lunch break or whenever you have a few minutes of downtime. This could be something as simple as squats, lunges, or jumping jacks. These exercises don't require any equipment and they're great for burning calories quickly. You can also use your breaks to go for a quick walk or do some stretching. All of these actions are simple but effective for increasing your daily calorie burn. Number 9. Hydration and fat burning. Now, here's a tip you might not have heard of before. Staying hydrated is actually a great way to support fat burning. Drinking water throughout the day can increase your metabolism and help you feel more energized, which encourages you to move more. Studies show that drinking cold water can temporarily boost your metabolism by about 30% for 30 minutes after drinking it. So, make sure to keep a water bottle with you at all times. This small habit can help you burn more calories without even trying. So, as you can see, burning fat doesn't require a gym or intense workouts. Simple, everyday activities like walking, cleaning, taking the stairs, and even fidgeting can help you shed fat and feel great. It's all about making small changes that add up over time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to move more every day and start burning fat naturally without ever stepping foot in a gym. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another fat-burning tip. And as always, leave a comment below and let me know which activity you're going to start doing today. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and keep burning that fat.